Welcome to the lesson practice for lesson 77, which is mass and weight. And I'm pulling this out of our book. You will be filling these out on your math journal, and we're going to take it away. Let's begin. I'm going to scroll down just a little so you can see. Dave's pickup truck can haul half a ton of cargo. How many pounds is a half a ton? And we need to remember on the side that one ton equals 2,000 pounds. So half a ton would be 1,000 pounds. And I'm going to put that LBS. A newborn baby weighed 7 pounds, 12 ounces. The baby's weight was how much less than 8 pounds? This is where we have to remember that there are 16 ounces in a pound. So if the baby had had 4 more ounces, it would be 8 pounds. So we're going to write, because it's 7 pounds, the 12 ounces are next. If it had 4 more ounces, that would be another pound. So it was 4, and I'm going to put our parentheses, OZs. Now, choose the most reasonable measure in problem C through H. Tennis ball, is it going to be 57 kilograms or 57 grams? I'm going for 57 grams. I'm going to just underline. A tennis ball, 5 ounces or 5 pounds. Would not want to play with a 5-pound ball. Can you imagine getting hit by it? Ouch! A dog, 6 grams, which is about 6 paper clips, or 6 kilograms. Definitely 6 kilograms. A dog, 11 ounces, less than a pound. I mean, that would be a little teeny dog, and they're not typically that small, even those little ones. I think 11 pounds is a more reasonable answer. Bowling ball, 7 grams, paper clips, or 7 kilograms. Definitely 7 kilograms. Bowling ball, 13 ounces or 13 pounds. Definitely 13 pounds. 7 pounds is how many ounces? Let's go over here. We're going to do this right here. I'm going to put it up here. 7, we know that there are 16 ounces to each pound. And we have 7 of them. 7 pounds. So we're going to multiply these two numbers together to find out how many ounces are in 7 pounds. Let's do this. 7 times 6 is 42. Put our 4 up here. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. So 7 pounds is 112 ounces. And I do that OZ. Which depends on the force of gravity, mass or weight? Well, because we're smart and we're hotshots, we know that its weight involves the pull of Earth's gravity. Finally, Nancy has 4 pounds of peaches. To make peach cobbler, she needs 24 ounces of peaches. After making the cobbler, how many ounces of peaches will Nancy have left? Okay, this part you need to think about what you want to do for this. Let's write down our information. She has 4 pounds of peaches. Wait. Erase that. Okay. She has 4 pounds of peaches. She needs 24 ounces of peaches. So we need to find out how many ounces she has. We know that there are 16 ounces per pound. So we're going to multiply 4. I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to put I'm going to erase and put this down where we can see it a little better. Okay, we're going to say, 16 ounces multiplied by 4, and we say 4 times 6 is 24. Put our 2 up. 4 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 64. So she has 64 ounces of peaches, and then she needs 24 ounces. So we take the 64 ounces that she has, we subtract the 24 ounces of peaches, and it looks like she is going to have, let's see, 40 ounces left, all for me to eat. And there we have it, our practice set. Good luck on the homework.